Third, public trust is very, very important. Trust correlates with more lives saved in emergencies. It's easy to lose trust and very hard to get it. There is a clear relationship between trust level and the number of cases and deaths in a country. The higher the trust, the fewer the deaths. So it's an inverse relationship. This ought to be very, very important when policymakers make policies, that they need to keep the public trust, because that will help operate and make people adopt the recommendations. One of the problems we have in the United States is this man has decreased public trust a lot. You can't make 10,000 lies in 40 years and expect the public to trust you. And the consequence is that undermine greatly people's response to the public health emergency. And these are, this is maybe the best, government corruption indexes and by vaccine coverage, for example, or reduction in mobility from baseline. So you can see that there's, a reasonably good relationship